Here's how you change the cabin air filter in a 1998 Audi A3. So you're gonna lift up this panel and then look at that. That is horrific. Probably never been changed. All right, you take that out, place it with the other one. Don't throw away this plastic piece. You're just gonna change out this with this. You literally lift up from the old one and you just place right back down. There will be a sign that says airflow that goes down this way. See that? Can't miss it. You're gonna slide it back in just like this. Make sure these tabs are facing up. Go in, come down. Make sure they're in that hole, the slot right there. See that? Make sure it clicks into place just like that under those tabs. See that one right there? Right there. And right there. There you go. And then put this back, replace your rubber, you're good to go. Be careful with this too, or else you get sliced like me. These are kind of sharp. All right, y'all. That's how you replace a cabin air filter in a 1998 Audi A3.